Continue to deal with a few leftover showers and rumbles of thunder. The threat for severe weather is over with at this point, and there were multiple severe thunderstorm warnings and even a tornado watch that was in effect for the northern half of the state today. Hartford, Holland, Windham, Litchfield counties. There were little areas of rotation along this line, but none of them were strong enough to produce a tornado or even wind damage. I think the peak amount of Eversource outages that I ended up finding at one point was about 450. I am not complaining. I never root for severe weather. And funny enough, or weird enough, this is the anniversary of 2 years ago, May 15th, when we had one of our biggest severe weather outbreaks in recent years. But again, we still have stuff going on right now. We've got heavy rain right now in the Waterbury area, maybe even a few rumbles of thunder with this, and some gusty winds are possible in here too, but certainly not damaging winds. That's heading for you in Wolcott down through Cheshire. If you're in Hamden and Woodbridge, you're seeing some pretty good rain right now. Some heavier rain moving through East Hartford and also here in far eastern Connecticut up through Putnam, down through Sterling and Voluntown, also dealing with a fair amount of rainfall, but again, not severe weather. So we have more rain that'll be incoming as well. We still have a bit more to get through, but the good news is this is all gone in time for the weekend. I love what I'm seeing for the weekend, and your homework is to enjoy it because Monday and Tuesday right now do not look so great. I did want to show you all of the storm reports. It's like, who put up the force field around Connecticut today? Look at all of these reports of wind damage, reports of siding getting ripped off homes, roofs getting ripped off homes, down trees, down power lines. But here in Connecticut, we were good today. Got a really cool picture from Mark Lagel of Bradley International Airport. You can kind of see that mothership type looking storm here in the distance. So thank you so much for sharing that with us. We buried the lead, right? Look at this. 80s today, right around the 80-degree mark for Hartford, 79 in Meriden. Not only that, but we got our first taste of some humidity. You know, not midsummer humidity, but just enough that you're noticing it out there. Heading into the weekend, that humidity goes away, so you get to deal with the warmth without the frizz factor. Temperatures right now in the mid-60s for Hartford through Willimantic. We're in the low 70s right now along the Connecticut shoreline, close to the 70-degree mark for the New Haven area. We're continuing to deal with those showers, leftover rumbles of thunder possible. Here we are at 1:30 in the morning. And then things are slowly going to start to taper off as we head towards daybreak. By 6 a.m. we're dry. Clouds are breaking for sunshine, partly to mostly sunny skies. Lunchtime temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, and we're going to see high temperatures climb into the middle 70s for a lot of the state. It looks really good. Heading into Sunday, we'll see more clouds. We're going to shift the wind direction out of the east southeast. That's a cooler flow for us, but I still think we make it into the 60s to around 70 degrees. We're just going to have more clouds out there and slightly cooler temperatures. We'll chop about 3 to 5 degrees off the high, but I don't even know if most of you will notice. Tomorrow's definitely the brighter of the 2 days, though. Highs in the lower to middle 70s, bright, warm, low humidity, looking great. And Sunday, clouds and sunshine. May start to increase those clouds, though, especially as we head through the afternoon. High temperatures, though, instead of in the middle 70s, will be in the mid to upper 60s. Bradley International Airport might be able to approach the 70-degree mark. All right, tropical outlook. We're already looking for the next thing here. Now, this is nothing right now, but what this means is this is what the National Hurricane Center is looking for development. And in the next couple of days, this area has about an 80% chance of becoming something, and it might become Tropical Storm Arthur. It really doesn't matter what it becomes, because either way, it sends a whole lot of moisture in our direction, and I think that means we're dealing with a lot of clouds Monday, Tuesday, along with periods of rain. There is some question as to where the heaviest rain sets up. Is it over our area? Is it a little bit farther to the west? Because somebody could get some very heavy rainfall out of this. Hopefully it's not us. We've had enough recently, and some of that could stick around into early on Wednesday too. Here's your 7-day forecast. Again, look at this. 60s. 50s, rain, morning showers. And there's still some questions towards the end of next week if this system might get stuck over us, bringing us a few additional showers for Thursday and Friday. Although, look at those temperatures really starting to improve as we head towards the end of next week. Your shoreline 7-day highs are going to be in the lower 60s on Sunday after near 70 degrees on Saturday. Maybe a nice day for a walk on the beach, and middle 50s. It's a chilly, raw, rainy day on Tuesday with chance for those showers lingering through part of next week as well, Ben.